Lesson 66.
Ich habe.
Lisa, this is an important lesson for our readers and listeners because in this lesson, for the first time, they can make a complete sentence that includes a direct object.
Yes, and this is also one of the most important verbs in both English and in German. Haben, to have.
And that's why we chose it to come so soon in this book, is because it's such a universal thing to have something. In any language that you're studying, it's one of the first things you want to be able to say.
Definitely.
So we're going to have two flavors of direct object here. We're going to have the kind where the definite article or the ein word changes and the kind where it stays the same. So if the direct object is masculine, we're going to see a change with the definite article or the ein word. If it's feminine or neuter, the direct object will be the same as the usual form of the noun with no change. So to illustrate that point, let's look at a few of these exercises. In number 1, we have a masculine direct object, right?
Right. We have den Hund, and you see that normally it would be der Hund, but the article changed and now it has an N, which shows you it is a direct object here.
Great. So Hund is masculine, so we see the change. But in number 2, we have a feminine direct object. Someone's saying, I have a daughter. So the word for daughter here is the direct object.
Correct. Here it's eine Tochter. So the eine didn't change much from what you normally know.
Right, so the ein word here is the same as if it were the subject of the sentence.
That's right.
And then in number 3, we're back to having a masculine direct object. And so we see the change here. We see den again, right?
Right.
And in 4 and 5, we have masculine direct objects again, but with kein. So kein is an ein word. So we see that change there with the en ending, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we have a nice mix of exercises here to let them see this masculine direct object thing, where we see a change in the definite article or ein word. We see en as the ending.